So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to update your Life360 app. Now if you want to update your Life360 app, you will need to go ahead and swipe until you get to the App Store, or if you're using an Android device, it's going to be called the Google Play Store. So once you open this, you can see at the bottom today, games, apps, arcade, and the search bar. So let's click on search. On there, you can even access it within your account if you've downloaded the app. So you can just type out Life360, click on the search, and you can maybe see some sort of sponsored content, but rest assured to find this purple logo, click on it, and on here, you're going to see the option instead of open, it's going to say update. And through there, you're going to be able to update your Life360 app, which is going to give you the option to get the latest version of the app, get the latest features, and so on. So it's going to really be beneficial to you, and it's going to then give you the most out of your app. If you've clicked on update, you maybe should have beforehand exited the app and then see if the changes take effect. Once you're here, it's going to be up to date and you don't have to worry about it anymore. So just access through your app store, find it on here. It's going to say update instead of open. Click on the update and you're going to get the latest version of the app on your device, and then you can start using the app to its fullest feature. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Life360 or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.